Hi! Today I have another pair of eyes that I want to go over and show you some of the most important signs that we can find so that this person can immediately start making precise lifestyle changes and have the quickest and best results. One of the first things that grabbed my attention here is the heavy pigmentation, and we can see a lot of yellowish coloration in combination with the so-called lymphatic tophi, which are these whitish dots here on the outer iris border. And those together make a kidney lymphatic diathesis. This indicates a disturbance of the renal system, which can lead to dehydration, UTIs, bladder infection, kidney stones, and a higher risk for arthritis. People with this diathesis also oftentimes carry unresolved anger and a lack of inner strength and confidence. And this brings me right to the next sign that is very outstanding in these eyes, which is the outer iris border, where we can see a heavy scurf ring, this darker ring here in both eyes. This shows us that on a physical level, the function of the skin might be inadequate, which can lead, for example, to dry skin, rashes, or eczema. And on an emotional level, they oftentimes feel uncomfortable in their skin, so to speak, and tend to have a lowered self-esteem and feel unfulfilled in life. The earlier mentioned lymphatic tophi here indicate a higher tendency for lymphatic blockages, which also go hand in hand with a lowered kidney filtration, which makes it important to have a regular exercise routine because the lymphatic system doesn't have a pump like the blood system with the heart. So with the lymphatic system, we have to actively move it to keep it flowing. Additionally, it is also important to have a proper fluid intake and a clean alkaline diet. On an emotional level, people with lymphatic tophi tend to avoid conflict. Additionally, we can also find a lot of pigmentation in the digestive zone here in between the collarette and the pupil, which is an indication for a higher tendency towards fermentation, bloating, and IBS. Plus, the collarette itself is fairly thin, as we can see here, or here as well, which shows us that there is a lowered energy supply from the autonomic nervous system towards the bowels, and this can further affect the digestive process. To overcome these symptoms, it is important to adjust our diet and incorporate highly energetic, hydrating, and enzyme and fiber-rich foods, which are our fruits, veggies, and greens. In addition, we can also use herbs that enhance the digestive process like slippery elm, dandelion, or chamomile, as well as high-quality digestive enzymes after our meals. In general, the iris fibers of this person are pretty straight and tight, as we can see, which is a sign for an underlying strong and resilient genetic constitution. Thus, the body is able to regenerate itself fairly quickly if taken care of properly. To get a deep and holistic insight into your own body and how you can support it in the best way to live the most healthy and vibrant life, please check out my website fruitfulsolution.com and book your personal iridology reading. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.